welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do a tutorial. I sat down tonight and was just playing, wanted to put this one to the test. This is the Affinity 2 from Certifeye. If you haven't seen the insides, it's all purples, blues, and greens. So I just sat down and was just playing with the one eye and actually ended up really liking how it turned out. So I did turn my camera on and film my left eye application. I didn't talk at all while I was filming because I still wasn't even sure that I was actually going to end up doing anything with that footage, but because I'm so happy with how it turned out, I thought that I would at least share the process with you. So this is just going to be sort of a classic tutorial, if you will. I'm not even really going to do a review. All I can say is, it speaks for itself. Everything blended out nicely. The shimmers are impactful and beautiful. So I have no complaints with this palette. Okay, so like I said, I'm not going to do a full-on review. I'm not going to swatch every shade that's in here. And I don't even think that I'm going to do a voiceover. I think I'm just going to edit the footage down a bit, throw some music on, and just let you chill and enjoy it. All right, here we go.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. Yeah.
Alright guys, so there you have it. I now have to wash this off because it's like 11 o'clock at night and I'm ready to go to bed. And it's one of those looks where I don't want to wash it off. I just think it's so pretty. I love the colors. I don't want to wash it off. And it's one of those looks that's like, it's not super intricate, but it's more so than what I normally do. So I know I'm not going to be like busting this particular look out over and over again. So the time is nigh. What I thought I would do is just to add a little bit of substance to this video. I received a sample of the Dermablend Professional Makeup Dissolver. I think I got this in my Ipsy bag? If it wasn't in my Ipsy bag, then it was like from Sephora, so I don't know. So I haven't tried it yet, and I thought because we have so much color going on here, see if this really does dissolve anything. So this is kind of a first impressions, if you will, because I haven't tried it yet. So I'm just going to put a fairly generous amount because I don't know how much I need, and just wipe that around. Well, it's looking promising so far. And I just got some cotton pads here. Not gonna lie, something just got into my eye and it's stinging just a tiny bit. But yeah, I'd say that's effective. I would say that's definitely effective, but you definitely want to keep your eye firmly shut because it stings just a little bit if it gets in there. Okay, well, there you have it. That works quite nicely. Again, that's the Makeup Dissolver from Dermablend. So I'm going to go about my business and get the rest of it off, but I won't make you watch all of that. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, just be a decent human being. Bye for now.